Hi, Robin Rose here in the garden with my Wednesday video for you. I want today to talk about beautiful violet, um, Viola, odorata, sweet blue violet. We have a few of her beautiful little purple flowers left, but actually I find the leaves, these beautiful heart-shaped leaves, to be the most medicinal part of violet. So, what do I love to do with violet? I love to eat her in my salad. She cools everything down. And violet is a beautiful, beautiful herb to dry for infusion, for a hot, dry cough. Really helps soothe the cough. She soothes everything, really. Violet is a sweet, soothing medicine. This is also one of the two medicines that I really rely upon to help me in times of grief. Violet is a plant that softens anything she touches. Here I'm going to show you also one of her beautiful white flowers with lavender stripes. So we've got the purple violets, we've got the white. Uh, as usual, I eat the props after filming or during, as the case may be. Anyhow, I highly recommend you get to know beautiful heart-shaped violet. Use her in your salads, dry her for infusions. You can even make an oil out of the leaves that's wonderful for moving lymph and is famous actually for using for breast massage, for relieving pain of tender lumpy breasts, especially premenstrually. So violet soothes you, soothes the soul, soothes a hot cough, helps the nerves, soothes the heart, and so much more. Our green allies are everywhere. Green blessings.